Ano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis Season and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Of all the food packages that we receive for today, I think this one excites me most because number one, I love sushi. And number two, this product is actually new for me. So usually nakikita natin yung mga sushi, they are served on a parang single bite servings. But this one, they are on a tray. So may pagka do-it-yourself. Siyempre, pag may do-it-yourself, there's the excitement of, preparing your own food. And then lastly, guys, of course, it's a Japanese food. Ang mga food packages na na-receive natin ay nanggaling kay The Groshery. You can check out their fan page flashing on your screens right now. Yeah, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 servings for different kinds of serving. Let me just, rearrange ko lang para makita nyo yung last one. There you go! See this one here? So I thought earlier para tong dream cake ganyan, because usually sa mga ganitong packaging alam mo na yung kung nasa loob niya, it's a chocolate cake, parang mga ganyan. But let me give you a hint, it's not chocolate and I cannot open it. Yeah, it's perfect for a surprise gift or special gift for someone. Yung mga pans natin, so we have Baked Ottogi Wasabi Shrimp Pan, Baked California Maki Pan, and then the last, which is itong baby shi and itong dream sushi. Orientation natin, guys, sabi nila it's still a surprise flavor, so hindi ko pa alam kung ano siya. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's open. Starting with the papshi. Every order, guys, it comes with nori sheet because every time you get a serving, you put it in the nori, or kung ayaw mo naman to, okay lang. Experience sake, we're gonna try. So first, we're gonna open or prepare our nori, and then you get a slice or any way you like it. Actually, there's no right or wrong. So let's taste it first ng walang nori wrapper. So this is our first try without the nori wrapper. Let's just taste it as is. Wow! This one is a huge one. Bahala na, guys, kung mararap natin yan. So for our second try with nori wrapper. I'm not saying this just for promotion, guys. Ito palang tinikman ko. This is so rewarding after a hard day. Mga order, guys, comes with additional dips and sauces and wasabi. So depende sa inyo, guys, if you still, want additional flavor, additional wasabi if you want it. Ooh, I love wasabi. For our next try, para tingnan natin yung mga sauces nila, is yung kanilang mamshi, which is the California Maki. Like this. Lagyan natin ng sausawan. California Maki is as delicious as the first one, but I think kapag pagpipilian ako, I would go for this one. So let's get straight from the pan dito sa corner portion natin. And then let's try it first without any sauce or any dip or any wasabi, parang ganyan. Just for initial taste. Wow. So I think the last one has a little bit spiciness in it. But what I like is medyo smoky yung flavor. So again, I don't know the name or the flavor right now, as of now. But based on our orientation with the owner, parang maglalabas sila ng ganitong klaseng serving, which has the 3 flavor in it. You have the option to try all the 3 flavors in just one pan. We'd like to thank the grocery for sending us these sushi pans. Grabe, sabi ko, medyo nagpipigil ako sa kanin, but you know guys, for a while, for some time, give ourselves a reward. So there you have it guys. As I always close our video, please continue to support local businesses, lalong-lalo na po ngayong quarantine period. Take advantage of the services we have, like yung mga delivery service, so we can enjoy the food at the comfort of our home. And again, if you're craving for sushi and not the usual sushi servings, make sure to check out the grocery and yeah, order from them. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga, guys. I'm still gonna continue this. I won't bore you watching me eat. Pero again, let's support local businesses. Let's support each other. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video. Bye-bye.